So a little bit of backstory on this vehicle that you see here. This is the girlfriend's car, and according to her, herself and the boyfriend who's driving this vehicle, they've been drinking all day, had a fight, and he then took her vehicle, this one here, right here, and he took off with it. She wants it back. Guy doesn't have a license, and according to her, he's drunk. So she called the cops. Let's see our TikTok lawyer get out of this one. It's going to be an interesting conversation. You'll enjoy this one.
How you doing? Patrolman Zelenis, he said it's police department. Just has a video record. So what just happened today at DuPont?
Can you just testify
What do you mean?
Where are you coming from today?
DuPont?
Okay, so what happened there today?
What do you mean?
Well, you're coming from there, so what happened at DuPont today?
Nothing?
Nothing at all?
No.
So we were called for a reason.
You start the conversation with a cop like this, they're not going to be very kind to you. I'm just saying, be compliant, tell the truth, get things done. That's where you get your life in order. Might be a good idea.
No. You have your license?
How about you tell me your reason for being called?
No, that's not how it works. I'm gonna dictate the stop, so give me your license right now, okay? That's how it's gonna work. And if you don't comply with my orders, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle. I'm gonna place you in handcuffs, and you're gonna be sitting in the back of my car till I figure out who you are, okay?
All right, I like this cop already. And by the way, if you haven't yet done so, please go ahead and subscribe. It does help us a lot, and I appreciate that.
So this is how it's gonna work, okay?
Hold on. I'm gonna lower the window.
Step out of the vehicle.
It just takes a minute.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Please step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle. To
No.
the back. For officer safety, step out of the vehicle.
Officer safety?
Hey, you gotta work with me here, okay?
No.
Step out of the vehicle. Hey, I'm trying to work with you here.
I'm trying to open the window, and he won't let me open the window.
Okay.
He just opened my door,
Well, now the
which
door's
is
open.
illegal.
But
So-
no, it's not. If an officer's asking you to step out of the vehicle, you have to step out of the vehicle.
Yeah, everyone knows that, except a TikTok lawyer, which he thinks he is.
For what cause? For what cause?
It's a pending an investigation.
What investigation? Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
Yes.
What crime?
Okay, listen, we got called to the DuPont Ave location.
Okay.
We were given this description of this vehicle.
Okay.
With the first three characters of that license plate.
Okay.
Right there, we had reasonable suspicion to stop this vehicle.
For what?
Okay? Based on our investigation that we're conducting at that
Is
address.
this your sergeant?
No, it's not.
No.
Sergeant.
Okay.
Sergeant. No. Under New Jersey law, once I ask for a sergeant, you have to give me a sergeant. Sergeant.
Which is actually true. Don't know why they would do that, but I do believe that to be true. If I'm wrong, please enlighten me, but I do think that that's what it is.
Sergeant. Hey. Keys.
Supervisor at this time.
Supervisor.
Okay, I'm coming out to you.
You got it. He's on the way right now, brother.
Nope.
Good.
We'll work like
Thank
that.
you.
What's your name? Okay.
Listen, you have to understand where we're coming from, though. We have to do our due diligence here, okay?
What's your name?
Okay, Patrolman D. Giovanni. My badge number is 137.
You.
Okay? Listen, you have to understand where we're coming from, though. Okay?
I don't
We
understand
have to-
where you're coming from.
We get it dispatched over to DuPont Ave, okay?
Okay.
For a call that we have to respond to, okay? So we get the information there for a stop and hold given out by my sergeant on this vehicle.
For what?
Okay.
For what? For what?
I'm not out there. I'm
For
not
what
out
crime?
there.
For what crime?
You're about to find out.
What crime?
You're about to find out.
Oh, I'm
okay?
about to find out.
All right. So that's why this vehicle is being stopped. But I'm telling you right now, if an officer advises you to get out of the vehicle, you have to get out of the vehicle.
You would think that people would know that, which I think they do, but they decide to not play along. And then they play the victim afterwards. That's what they do.
Unless that officer is of suspicion that I have committed a crime. I have committed a crime.
You are stopped for a lawful reason. You're stopped for a lawful reason.
What lawful reason?
Pending an investigation, like I just told you, at 18 DuPont Ave.
No. I am
Okay.
legally parked in a legal spot, sitting in a car. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing at this point. At this point. point.
I know, but the car that you're sitting in
Doesn't matter what car I'm sitting in. I am legally parked
Okay.
in a car.
matches the description.
Doesn't matter what description
Of the vehicle that we were given.
Of the vehicle for
So-
what crime?
So, what do
For
you
what
want?
crime?
What do you want us to do? You
For
want us
what
to just
crime?
turn our head
For
and,
what
and
crime? For
pretend
what
that we
crime?
didn't see it?
What
You're about to
crime?
find out.
What
You're about to
crime?
find out.
What crime?
The officers that are there right now, you're about to find out.
Is it Grand Theft Auto?
You're going to find out.
Is it
No,
Grand
it's
Theft
not
Auto?
Grand Theft Auto.
Then you
No,
can't stop me
it's
for
not.
no fucking reason.
It's not. Okay. Yep.
Is that your car?
Yes, it is.
Good.
Yes, it is.
Fuck you.
How you doing, sir? So,
Supervisor?
yep.
Card?
This is Jake?
Card?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Sergeant
Card.
Mayberry. I don't have to give you a card, sir.
Card.
Yeah, it's Sergeant Mayberry.
How do I
don't
know
have to
that
give
you are Sergeant Mayberry?
Yeah, that's what I am. You want to see my name tag? Right here.
Good.
It's Jake?
Yep.
Hey, how are you?
4341
Being
County.
stopped. I guess you are... whose car is this?
This is Tiffany Saratelli's car.
Okay, from 18 DuPont?
Yes.
Okay. So she made some accusations regarding some sort of verbal domestic that you guys had?
Yep, according to he took the car without permission, drive it without a license, and probably drunk. I would also call the cops.
What does that have to do with me being part of this location?
Listen. So what happens today?
I don't know.
You don't know? You guys didn't get in any kind of argument, nothing like that?
Listen, I'm on a lease.
Yeah.
I live there,
Okay.
trying to get away.
She's claiming that you guys had an argument. And
If we did, we did. If we didn't, we didn't. But,
she's claiming that she didn't give you permission to take the car.
I mean, if
That's what she said.
you guys want to take the car, you can.
Well, we'll get to that.
Absolutely.
So how
but
long ago did this occur?
This car's parked.
Yeah, but how long ago did this occur?
Did what occur?
The incident where you left. How long
What-
ago did you leave?
What incident?
The verbal argument that, and obviously that you were leaving from.
There was no verbal argument. This car was parked here.
This car was parked here when?
This car was parked here.
When? Prior to us being
I,
here?
I, I do not know when it was parked here, but it was parked here. I
But
walked
you were
here.
sitting in it when the cops.
Correct, but
Yeah.
I walked here.
How does this idiot think that people will believe him? The woman just said he took the car and drove off. She said so. Took the keys, drove off. Been drinking the whole day. Drove off with the car. Got no license. Probably drunk. He says the vehicle was parked where it is now. I don't know.
Walked here and then
Correct.
walked here.
Correct.
Okay. All right. Well, obviously we'll pull some video and see about that.
You can put whatever video you
Okay. Do
want.
you have license, registration, insurance?
Don't need license registration.
Yes, sir, you do.
No, no.
So you're sitting in a car, it's
No, no.
operation. Where were the keys? In the ignition?
Doesn't matter.
So the keys, it does matter. So it's operation.
The keys were in the
Obviously,
ignition.
your eyes are
The keys were in
glassy.
the ignition.
Sir, your eyes are
The
glassy.
key, no.
I can smell.
No,
I
no,
can
no,
smell
no,
the
no,
odor
no,
of an
no.
alcoholic beverage
No,
emanating from your person.
no.
I'm just
Where
telling you
were
that
the
again.
keys?
Sir, this is not for us to debate, okay?
This
we're
is
we're
for us to
questioning you.
debate.
This is a
Where
motor
were the
vehicle
keys?
stop. You're sitting in the car. Doesn't matter where the keys are.
It does matter where the keys are.
So, are
does.
you? Did you drink anything today, sir?
It does. Where
Did
were
you
the
drink
keys?
anything today, sir?
Where were the keys?
Did you drink anything
Where were
today?
the keys?
Okay, license, registration, insurance.
I don't have the keys.
License, registration, insurance.
Don't have the keys.
License, registration, insurance.
Don't have the keys.
Sir, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Why don't you call the individual
License,
who called?
registration, insurance, sir. You're obligated to give us that.
Why?
Because you are. It's
The
state of
vehicle
New
was
Jersey.
not running. The vehicle was
You
not
are
started.
sitting in the car. It doesn't matter.
No,
Okay?
doesn't matter
Yes,
who's
you-
sitting in the car.
Sir, we're not going to debate this, okay? Is it worth getting arrested for, sir?
You can't arrest me for sitting in a
Yes,
car.
we can. This is operation. Okay, you're obviously.
No, it's not. No,
you,
it's not.
You
The
appear
keys
to
aren't
be,
in the ignition.
You appear to be intoxicated, so we have
Okay.
to. You have to step outside. We're gonna.
If I appear to be intoxicated-
first off, you have to give us documentation. If you don't have it, you still have to.
No,
You
no.
have to step outside.
No, it
You have
has
to
to be a
step
reasonable
outside.
stop.
It is a reasonable stop.
For
So
what?
step out of the car.
For what crime?
Now you're gonna be given field
For what
sobriety
crime?
testing. Field sobriety testing. Suspicion of driving under the influence.
But for what crime did you stop me originally? Because you cannot
So
stop
it's
me
an
for.
investigation. We got information. I don't have to disclose that to you.
No,
Okay?
it has to be reasonable,
Sir, are you gonna step out of the car?
No,
Are you-
it
so
has
you're not
to
gonna
be
step out of the car?
reasonable, articulable
Sir, are you going to step out of the
suspicion
car?
of a crime. What crime did I commit?
Are you going to step out of the car?
What crime did I commit?
Suspicion of driving under the influence. So now we have to run
But
you
I
through a
wasn't
test.
driving.
So now we have to run you through a test.
But I wasn't driving.
So will you step out of the car so
I
we can
was
run you
not
through a
driving.
test?
Yeah, this guy is very clever at this point in time. Not going to help him, though. Not going to help him. But he thinks he knows the law and he's going to be able to get away. Not going to happen. He's going to get cuffed, I believe. Let's see.
What crime were you committing?
Sir, we're investigating it, okay? And you obviously
What
look
crime-
intoxicated.
what crime
You're sitting
do
in
you
the front seat of the
suspect?
car.
Does
Are you going to
not
step out
matter.
of the car, sir?
I did not attempt to drive away.
Sir, are you gonna
I did
step
not
out of the
attempt to- No.
You're not going to step out of the car. Then you're going to be placed under arrest.
What crime did you
This is your
suspect?
warning, okay? Step out of the car, please.
What crime?
You're driving under the influence of alcohol and/or narcotics. Step out of the car, sir.
I have not driven.
Step
What
out of the car,
crime?
sir.
What crime?
Step out of the car. You have no legal right to refuse. You have to.
What
you have
crime
to
do you
comply.
suspect me of
You have to
committing?
comply with this testing. You have to. You have no choice.
What
Your eyes
crime-
are glassy. I can smell alcohol
what
on your breath.
crime
You're sitting
do
in the
you suspect
driver's
me of
seat of a
committing?
car. So, sir, step out of the car.
So they're going to forcibly remove him and arrest him, which I think they should have done a long time before. But they get to it eventually.
One more time. You gonna step out of the car? You gonna step out of the car?
Are you the supervisor?
You gonna step out
I
of
am
the
a
car?
supervisor.
Step out of the car.
Don't pull
There
away.
we go.
Don't pull away. Don't pull away. Stop resisting,
About
right?
time.
Stop resisting, sir. Don't pull away.
I'm not resisting.
Now you're under arrest.
I hope all you got body cameras on.
We
They're
do,
on.
sir.
Good. Lawsuit.
Of course. Of course, lawsuit. They all say that. Lawsuit.
Lawsuit.
We asked you several times to step out of the car and then pull away like that. Then again, it's
Lawsuit. Lawsuit.
Alright.
Lawsuit.
Sit up.
Lawsuit.
Bend your knees.
Well, 41 out here.
You want me to stand up, or
Yeah,
what do
we're
you want me to
standing
do?
up. That's why on your knees.
Douchebag.
Just pat him out.
No 41.
Douchebag. Yeah, real nice.
Show your feet.
Up. Piece of shit. Lawsuit. I want all your badge numbers, all your cars. I want everything. Suckers.
We asked you several times to step out of a vehicle.
Cool. What probable
You have to
cause?
step out of a vehicle. Police
You.
officer asked you to step out of a
You.
vehicle.
That's
You have
not
to step
probable
off.
cause.
Yes,
That's
it is.
not probable
Yes,
cause.
it is.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Amazing how clever you are when you have a bit of alcohol in you, right? You know everything. Everyone else is wrong except for you. You're an expert at law. And then they go ahead and they arrest you. Yeah. Bit of a dummy, I think.
We have protected amendment activities. Okay?
You can read it.
Yeah, okay, you can read it. I'll get badge by the time this is done.
I gave it to you right when I rolled up.
Right on this front.
That's what I say, man. Let's get this
Go near me, man.
Don't be go near nobody.
Like you're,
Scumbag.
like you're going to headbutt me?
You're a scumbag.
Okay, sir.
You're a scumbag. Why don't you come to the department and talk?
So we potentially have definitely a 450.
Yeah, so when I got here,
He flew out right when we
that's
took him
my,
out.
that's my key.
Oh, that's okay.
I got on video.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
They removed it from the ignition and hold it in his hands and put it in the center console.
We have a statement from her too.
Yeah.
So let's secure this car. You have the
Okay.
keys to this?
It's going to be in the center console. He put it.
Right here.
Yeah, he picked them up physically and dropped
No,
them.
that's it. This is a Chevy key.
There should be.
No, it was on his persons, wasn't it?
I think it was on his person's.
It's on the roof.
That's the case. No. Might have to search him again.
Unless you put him in the center.
Okay. Get him.
Get him.
Oh, this is it.
I'm going.
All right, so let's stop this video right here. They're just now taking a drive to the station. Nothing really happening there. Okay, so it took his girlfriend's car. Apparently he was drunk, according to the charge sheet. Charged with DUI and quite a few other things as well. Not interested in that, but yeah, that's what happened. And then he decided he's going to drive away. No license. And when the cops accost him, he says, no, well, the car's parked here. I walked up to you. I don't know. I think alcohol makes you do silly things. That's just what it is. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Say hi in the comments. It does help us a lot. And then I'll see you in the next one.